We have a nearly all-time high here with the Withlacoochee River off of River Road. Before, when I filmed this, these trees straight ahead were on the edge. So it's come all the way up into the sides of it. I'll show both sides of the river. Never seen it quite this full. Tim says he's seen it this full once before. And this is the other side of the bridge. You can see the water goes way back. And where that little green shrub is, that's the usual spot where the edge of it is. Across the road, on the west side of the bridge, this is the trees that go up to the bridge. And here we are at the bridge. And the edge of those trees up there are the usual spot. Center of the bridge on the west side. Here are those trees that were the edge of the river that I had just referred to. You can see all the water leading up into it. And all this is full of water back in there. Here we are to the boat ramp. This is generally like, I don't know, 20 feet that rolls out there and goes down, and it's most of the way up the side here. And I was out here a couple weeks ago, and this point had a few feet down before it hit the water. And here's looking up the boat ramp. You can see how wide it is. You can see how fast it is.